Alrighty, we are live. YouTube. Morning, guys. Morning. Let's see. Sorry, a little bit late today, but oh well. We are here. Morning, guys. Morning. Let's see. Sorry, a little bit late today, but oh well. We are here. Morning, guys. Morning. Let's see. Sorry, a little bit late today.
Any because I have some PTSD from
morning, guys. Morning. Let's see. Sorry, a little bit late today.
Any because I have some PTSD from
morning, guys. Morning. Let's see.
Missing that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
Asia, though we swept yesterday.
Let's see.
Missing that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
Asia, though we swept yesterday. So both these lows got swept over in that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
Asia, though we swept yesterday. Interesting. So both these lows got swept over in that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
AQ swept the lows, ES swept the lows, YM did not. So both these lows got swept over in that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
AQ swept the lows, ES swept the lows, YM did not. So both these lows got swept over in that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
AQ swept the lows, ES swept the lows, YM did not. So both these lows got swept over in that initial move.
Sorry, a little bit late today.
AQ swept the lows, ES swept the lows.
Alright, so we have our highs and lows marked.
The lows, ES swept the lows.
Alright, so we have our highs and lows marked. Okay, one thing to take into consideration today.
So we have our highs and lows.
I don't expect much. Why? Because one thing to take into consideration today.
We have our highs and lows.
I don't expect much. Why? Because one thing to take into consideration today.
We have our highs and lows.
I don't expect much. Why? Because oh, sorry. It's fixed now. It should be fixed. There we go. Sorry, I forgot to mute the screen cap sound. Apologies. Got a Sheen show, yeah. Okay, so what I was saying is that we have the highs and lows marked today, right? We have, I believe this is London low. Yeah, that's London low. We already took out London high. And then we have yesterday's high marked out. As for expectations going into today, we have zero news, right? Wednesday, absolutely nothing. Maybe we have some small stuff. Let's see. IMF crude oil. Okay, so we have Bowman at 3:30 p.m. But this is Eastern. Is this Eastern? Pacific time. Okay, that's after market closes, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, so we don't have much. We have the beige book at 11. but that's it. There's a little stock pump or tin. I am. But yeah, going into today, not expecting much. Once again, don't have to trade every day. I think that's one thing that a lot of people are missing. The move happens without us. The move happens without us. I really don't give a fuck. But as for right now, we have the highs and lows marked. I'm hoping one of them takes these highs, and then we can probably get a play. Who am I getting tagged in? Oh, thank you guys for telling me about the sound. Sorry. Yeah, I wasn't looking earlier. 20-year bond auction, bias pretty mixed. Yep, exactly. Bias is very mixed as of right now, so nothing really going on with my thoughts. See. Equal lows. I think we go for yesterday's high today. 5100 is flashing itself again. Okay, watching for the sweep here. This could be good. Sweeping of this low. I think he doesn't sweep that. We'll take it. Or if ES doesn't sweep it, we'll take ES. I don't really like taking ES lately. It's been sluggish. We bullish overall today. 38 points. We're slightly up. Yeah, I'd like to see a sweep maybe of this, and then we can get a move up maybe. $50.50, $5100. Those are relatively even today. Yeah, neutral bias for today. Not a big deal. Means we can kind of take it out as we please. Yeah, we're going to be in a negative GAM environment for a little bit, in my opinion. Do I have my filter is on?
Store.
Sorry, looking at something on a different screen really quick. No, that one's passed. Why is it sending me another one? There we go. Oh, I never signed the agreement. Okay, cool beans. Yeah, I think we need to see a sweep of these internals first down here before taking a stab long. Could you have also gone long when ES 941 candle? No, I don't like taking equal lows as a sweep or as a non-sweep, right? Because at 641, 941, right? NQ swept that low, but ES didn't really sweep it. It just made equal lows. I'm not a huge fan of taking equal lows. That's just me. I want it to be not tagged at all. It could work out still, but that's just not my system. I don't really like equal lows. So we'll see. I think we tag down here first. That'll probably be the better of the few. We do have equal lows at 862. We also have equal lows down here, which is really annoying. Support 5065 on a flip. We're at a Vana flip at 75 right now. Might be resistance. Yeah, this will be a pretty good sweep right here. Hopefully we sweep that and then we could get a pop-up. Did you see DDOI? Sold calls all the way at 5,000. Puts at 50.35. Sold puts at 5,100. Okay, so NQ swept that. ES didn't. This is a pretty wide stop considering. It's like almost 10 points. Honestly, this would be okay to take on NQ instead. Yeah, because this stop is super wide. This makes it a bad R to R, right? So if we were to take it right now, that would be terrible R to R. So that's not something I'm willing to take. Yeah, this is not good R to R, so I'm gonna wait this one out. Wait for ES to come down a little more. $55 gamma flip wouldn't be terrible. Yeah, that's why we don't take that, because that is a wide stop. That's not one I like. Does that make sense, guys? Hopefully I saved you from getting bagged. Yes, thank you. Swept this low. This one I don't mind. Okay, we'll take this one. I'm gonna long it ES here. Couple ticks below, and we are in at 5108.75 there. This is a trade. We'll take a trim off at this internal level right here. Stops are below here. If we take out, maybe if we start pushing up, maybe we can move stops up to this low here. Would be good. If you have like lower risk, if you want lower risk, you could put it this low. But I'm gonna keep mine down here for now. Let's see. Yeah, more so leaning long bias today. It's relatively neutral, more towards the long side, so I'm okay taking longs today. This one I took. This one I took. Because the stop was relatively okay. What is yesterday's high? 988. Very slow volatility today. Something to keep in mind. We're right back at break even right now in ES. If you feel uncomfortable taking this long, then by all means, you guys can get out. But I'm okay taking this one. we get back up to here, I'm gonna move the trade to break even. What's my comfort food? I want to say like Taiwanese style food. I love Taiwanese style food. All right, we're leaning towards 50-50 now on ES or on SPX. If we get stopped on this one, not a huge deal. I don't mind. Is there any more internal here? Kind of. Yeah, there goes those equal lows. ES is holding pretty strong today. It's about to flush this low though. Let's see. Yeah, okay, we're stopped out now. On a 5-minute. See if we can see anything bigger. The footprint moved quite a bit. 50-50 seems like the point to get to. SPX is sitting at what? Let's see. 50-60. This might continue to leg down. It seems like we could fill the gap first, down to 50-50, and then make our move up. Yes. Anything here? And Q swept this. ES didn't sweep this low. It's a hard trade to tell though. Are they equal? Off by like a tick. That's not very easy to catch. What level held overnight? Oh, we dumped overnight. Once again, it's so mixed today, neutral. So trying to figure out which lows or highs we take out. We didn't take out the one I wanted to before going short. So that would have been the long target. Let's see. I'm gonna watch here very carefully to see if we start changing structure. As you can tell, we've been lower lows. But as of right now, we haven't made a lower low. So maybe we get a move up. If we sweep one of these lows, then we'll see. So this would be kind of the tell for today, in my opinion. Let's see if we can get a potential, what do you call it? If one of these sweeps these lows, we'll we'll keep our eyes out for that. Why I've never swept the lows. All right, so NQ swept this low. Let's see. We'll give it a candle or two because it seems like it's pretty heavy. Oh, this is a 30-second. It's like, why is this forming? Okay, yeah, so we swept that low. This is going to continue a little bit lower. We'll keep waiting. If we hit 50-50 SPX, I might take a credit spread. We are in that low volume area as well as, I believe, fib. Yeah, NQ is a lot weaker than ES today. Do we have any higher time frame stuff? Not down here. Do you guys have any higher time frame stuff? Okay, it's not bad. Until I see some sort of change in like structure, this is still in a downtrend, so looking for long is going to be a little bit on the tougher side. Leaning to ABS DGEX is leaning towards 50-50, so we'll see what happens here. Change this to SPX. Hide this. Once we filled this gap, maybe we get some sort of upside. So we'll just keep waiting for that. Oops. Raw showing 5,000. No fucking way today. We have a bit of SMT here. Could be the bottom for today, but I would like a gap fill first. So let's see I want to see the gap fill first. It's only give or take 7 points away for now. Yeah, we're leaning towards 50-50 first. So although this is a bullish SMT, I'd rather wait for that gap fill. Then we'll take something. We're gonna take some NQ longs here. We'll put a tight stop at low today. I want higher. Entry is 42.75 right there. And that one got stopped out. Oh, tried. It wants 50-50 first. Flip to a 5-minute. All right, so SPX just filled that gap. You can flip back to YM. Let's take a long on ES here, just off of the gap fill. Entries 5093.5. Well, that's plus, how many points is that already? Plus 6. It's just on trading view. It's like on the very left side projection, you have long shorts. NQ inverses this gap, I think, will also be pretty solid. But I'm in on ES right here. If you want to take a trim right now, would be pretty solid for 5100. We hit PT1 here just now. PT1. So you can move your stops to break even here. I'm going to be trailing mine. So I only have one since we took 2 losses already, so I went only 1 lot of ES here. We're just gonna keep trailing the stop as it moves up. Hold on 1 second. Put in my login info. Our stop is now pretty much break even. Why did that? Is that where? Okay, that'll cover the cost of fees. That's fine. So since we hit this TP here, right, stop a little bit above break even to cover the fees. I would like Hive Day. Hive Day would be pretty solid. But if I see any sort of SMT, I'm going to take it off. So like right here, right? I want both these indices to tag these at the same time. If they can tag them at the same time, that'd be pretty good. But we are also at a low volume node on NQ. Why is this not loading on ES? Go back to 2. So one reason why I really like those long is because that was the start of the low volume node and we filled the gap, right? So it's not like it was random, although not SMT, still, you know, part of the arsenal in terms of using volume profile. Right here wouldn't be a bad area to, I guess, take it off. This goes Hive Day. This would be the absolute bottom tick of ES. May just pyramid in. We'll see. Getting above 5100 on ES is pretty tough right now. So
How funny, now NQ stronger than ES. When we decide to take that one, it's stronger. Or when we decide not to take that one. It is what it is. Do you have a directional bias on de-adjusted gags? As of right now, no. I'm just playing the bounce off 50-50 as well as the sorry. Playing the bounce off 50, as well as the gap fill. So since that gap filled, I have no more what do you call it? I guess there's no more room for downside as of this play, right? If we get back to the stop at 94, then we get back to the stop at 94. But I would like, I really wanted ES to fill this gap here, or inverse the gap the same way NQ did, but it doesn't seem like it doing that. All right, we hit an ad here. Average is now 93.25. Something like that.
Yeah, it's just not strong enough. ES couldn't inverse that gap. Are you concerned with all the negative on over spot for longs? Not really. Personally, I think if we get a drop in vol, it'd be good. But IV's already pretty low. Thanks. We're at 17. It's not really dropping. It's not really picking up. So it's going to be a chop fest today. Nothing sandwiched today. 2 light losses again. I'm getting so many notifications. All right, nothing sandwich. This is boring. Anything on this? Nope. Top City, like I said, right? For now, since we missed the move down. Was it really even a move down? Kind of, not really. But Well, with that being said, I'm going to end the live. I don't think anything interesting happens today. Maybe we get something in the PM session. 11 a.m. beige book. That's probably like the next thing to wait for. So with that being said, I'm gonna end the live. We thinking much possibility. Let's see. There isn't much interest below in terms of DGEX, but if we do get below 50, it could get interesting in the sense of, let's see. Auto flip is all the way at 5,000, so I don't know. It just doesn't seem right on a Wednesday, middle of the week with zero news to make a move all the way down to 5,000. That's just my take, right? Take it with a grain of salt, but I'm always taking light stabs at SMT. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, right? But that's pretty much it for today. So if you guys have any questions, just at me in the Discord. But I'm gonna end the live here. Not much else going on. So thank you for tuning in, and as always, keep moving.